How to link EA accounts to Steam. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this EA tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can link EA account to your Steam account. So to do this is simple, just follow me as I show you a step-by-step tutorial. Now the first step is to install the EA software or application on your device. After installing it, just launch it and then you'll be brought to the home page where you can see different options, different games, as you can see on my screen. And then once you can see all of this, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal dashes, and once you see this, click on the settings option in the box display. Now once you've seen the settings page, you'll see a menu displaying options like my account, application, download, my playtime, find playtime. Just scroll down until you can see privacy and then you click on manage. Now after clicking on manage, you'll be redirected to the Chrome's page where you would see the customer portal, as you can see on my screen. And then the next step is to scroll down until you see connections, which is located by the left side of the screen. Now once you see this, click on it. Once you click on connections and the page loads, you would see different options or different kind of connections that you can make on using your EA account. And then scroll down till you can see Steam, and once you see Steam, click on link. Now once you click on link, the page would load and then you'll be asked to send or get a verification code that will be sent to the email which you used to open your EA account. So get the email, and then once you click on send email, a 6-digit code will be sent to you. Once you see the code, type it out, click on sign in, and then you'll be taken to that page. Follow the on-screen instruction, and just like that, your Steam account would be linked to your EA account. Very simple. Ensure you try it out now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.